So here we are at a house on Auburn and Tempe, and it's a 2-bed, 1-bath. We're getting ready to have an open house on it. Before we even begin, we've already received a full price offer. So we're hoping that we're gonna go above that full price offer today. It's actually a good location. It's a lot of rental properties over here. The house is in a lot of disrepair, needs a lot of work. We're selling it for $149. The comps in the area, we have a house, identical square footage, identical floor plan, just sold for $183. We have another one that is a little bit bigger, and that one sold for $222,000. So this should be a really good buy and hold property. It does need some work. So let's go take a quick tour of the house. It just needs a little bit of sprucing up on the outside, a little paint, maybe replace a lot of wood, maybe replace the roof, just a little bit. That should be a good rental property actually. 20 grand thrown in this house will go a long ways for a buy and hold property. And the rents over in Tempe are really good. And for 20 grand, you can put a lot into this house and make it look new again. So that's it, we're getting ready for open house now. What's really fun is whenever you get like 50 people showing up, and then you're gonna have a lot of fun. Okay, well, we just got done wrapping up our 30-minute open house, and in 30 minutes we had about 15 people show up. Have a couple full price offers in already, so now my job is to go in and try to not only get the full price offer, but see if I can get that price pushed up a little bit. Of course, the house needs a lot of work, and the price point is right there, but I think that we can keep pushing this, and we should have a pretty good profit whenever we're all said and done. So.